Given the function f of x equals 2x squared plus 5, we're going to find its inverse function, and then we're going to look at the domain and range for both the function and its inverse. So first, we're going to rewrite this as y equals 2x squared plus 5. Now to find the inverse function, we're going to switch around the x and the y, and instead we're at y equals, we're going to have x equals, and instead of 2x squared, we're going to say 2y squared plus 5. And now we're going to re-solve for y. First, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get x minus 5 equals 2y squared. Divide both sides by, this should actually be a negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2. And we get x minus 5 over negative 2 equals y squared. And then to get rid of the exponent, we're going to take the square root of both sides. And we get that the